Ghulam Nabi Azad is an Indian politician of the Indian National Congress and was the Minister of Health and Family Welfare. Recently, he served as the leader of opposition in Rajya Sabha. He has served as the Parliamentary Affairs Minister of India in the government of former Prime Minister Manmohan Singh until 27 October 2005, when he was appointed as the Chief Minister of Jammu and Kashmir. He also led the party successfully in the 2002 Assembly election in Jammu and Kashmir. Ghulam Nabi Azad was born in a village called Sodi of Tehsil Gando in then princely state of Jammu and Kashmir's Doda district. His parents were Rahmatullah Bhat and Basa Begum. He attended the local school in his village. Later for higher studies he moved to Jammu and received his Bachelor's of Science degree from GGM Science College. Furthermore, he also received a Master's in Zoology degree from the University of Kashmir, Srinagar in 1972. Azad started his career soon after working as the secretary for the Bloc Congress Committee in Balesa in 1973. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe if you would like to view more of our videos. Have a nice day.